Can you believe it? The installation of escalators in the mountains has really arrived, making it easy for both the elderly and children to climb the mountain. The Mangshan Tiantai Mountain Cloud Elevator is located in the Mangshan Tiantai Mountain Scenic Area, known as the First Danger in central and southern China. It adopts a segmented automatic lifting equipment combination design, with a total of 11 elevators, a lifting height of 101 meters, and a maximum passenger capacity of 4,500 people per hour. In addition to the cloud elevator, Mangshan also has a cliff elevator at an altitude of 1,600 meters, allowing tourists to easily travel and change scenery with each step, creating a stunning experience. Mangshan, located in the southern part of Huashan County, Chenzhou City, Hunan Province, is the second national forest park in China. The natural scenery of Mangshan is also breathtaking. The cloud ladder is a major feature of Mangshan Mountain, with steep stone steps reaching straight into the sky, each step accompanied by danger and excitement. When you climb up the ladder and overlook the scenery around you, you will find that all the hardships are worth it. In addition to the cloud ladder, Mangshan also has scenic spots such as the endless hot springs and Wuji Peak, each of which is full of natural wonders and charm. After arriving at Mangshan, the first stop is of course the Wuhaifeng Scenic Area. Here is the longest single-line sightseeing cable car in China, with a total length of 3.7 kilometers and a maximum height difference of 1,000 meters, which can be called world-class and China's first. Riding the cable car slowly rises, as if soaring through clouds and mist, spanning between towering mountains and turning the abyss into a smooth path. As the height increases, the scenery in front of me gradually becomes spectacular. Amidst the misty clouds, the five-finger peaks are faintly visible, like a fairyland. After reaching the highest altitude of Yunjian Plank Road in southern China, our hiking journey officially began. The total length of the suspended plank road here is about 8 kilometers, with an altitude between 1,400 meters and 1,600 meters, making it the longest suspended plank road in southern China. Walking on the boardwalk, it feels like strolling in the clouds, with a deep abyss beneath my feet, strange peaks and rocks in front of me, and the sound of the wind whistling in my ears. However, my heart is filled with tranquility and peace. Huashan is the most difficult mountain peak to climb in China. The most difficult and exciting road in Huashan belongs to the Long Sky Plank Road. The Chongkong Boardwalk is known as the first danger of Mount Hua. The Chongkong Boardwalk is approximately 100 meters long and divided into 3 sections. The first section is about 20 meters long and only over 60 centimeters wide, almost perpendicular to the ground, which is intimidating. The middle section is a suspended iron ladder that only allows one person to pass through, and below it is a vast abyss that makes people tremble with fear. The last paragraph is made by embedding stone stakes in stone holes carved on cliffs and laying wooden boards on them. Tourists walking here need to closely adhere to the cliff and move cautiously, as if strolling in the air. Despite the steep and treacherous nature of the long plank road, countless tourists still come to challenge it every year. They either seek excitement and adventure, or conquer the fear in their hearts. For those tourists who succeed in the challenge, they will gain an indescribable sense of achievement and satisfaction. At the same time, overlooking the magnificent scenery of the rolling mountains on the boardwalk is even more refreshing. The existence of the Long Sky Plank Road is not only to test people's courage and perseverance, but also a witness to history. For hundreds of years, countless explorers have left their footprints and stories here. Among them, there are many figures of celebrities and patriots who seek inner peace and tranquility, or explore the mysteries of nature and the limits of humanity. Their stories and footprints not only inspire generations of explorers, but also make the Long Sky Trail an eternal legend. Huashan has always been known as the most dangerous mountain in the world since ancient times. And Huashan is famous for its thrilling nature. There is a road in Huashan, and the way up the mountain is very winding. The location of Huashan is in the middle reaches of the Yellow River Basin, which can be said to have nurtured the Chinese nation together with the Yellow River. Due to the thrilling nature of Huashan, it was almost impossible for people to climb to the summit after the Tang dynasty. It was not until the flourishing of Taoism in the Tang dynasty that many Taoists began to live on the mountain and build their own temples. It took a long time to open up a dangerous road along the valley on the north slope, and thus became a road to Huashan. The highest peak of Huashan is Nanfeng, with an elevation of 2,154.9 meters. As long as you climb to the highest point of the southern peak of Huashan, you will feel that the sky is within reach. At first glance, one can see that the mountains are undulating and vast. At this moment, you will realize how magnificent the atmosphere of Mount Hua is. If we talk about the most dangerous place in Huashan, it is the Long Sky Plank Road. This place is located at the waist of Nanfeng, surrounded by almost all cliffs and steep walls, which are directly suspended by iron ropes. And the road surface is also made of stone slabs, with a width of only over 30 centimeters. One side is suspended and there are no railings, but the only thing that can be grasped by everyone is the iron rope on the edge of the cliff. If you look down, you can't see the valley floor at all. Sometimes, many pedestrians dare not move when walking on the boardwalk.